Hello beautifuls, how are you today? Today we're gonna talk about oranges. धूप में बैठ के oranges खाना किसको पसंद नहीं है? I don't think so there would be anyone who don't like. Well, anyhow, I'm literally out of oranges because I used all of them. कुछ मैंने खा लिए, कुछ मुंह पे लगा लिए, कुछ पी लिए, and so I don't have any oranges with me right now. So I did change the background to the orange color, but I did not have an orange dress. Sorry guys. Actually, I don't like orange color. I mean, who don't know the benefits of oranges? So if you want to learn how to do an orange facial at home, this is totally herbal orange, and I did make a serum and a toner out of it, which I seriously love it so much that I am gonna keep using them, and there is definitely good benefits with it. So let's start the video. Okay guys, cleansing is the most important and crucial part of any facial. So invest your time and do it very precisely. And if I talk about oranges, then oranges everyone knows is packed with vitamin C that boosts the collagen production, which is an enzyme that repair your skin against aging, dryness, dullness and even darkness of your skin. So oranges पे बातें तो चलती रहेंगी. पहले मैं आपको सुनाती हूँ एक जोक. तो दोस्त होते हैं, एक का नाम होता है गुलशेर और एक का नाम होता है जमान. दोनों ऑरेंजेस खा रहे होते हैं. तो जमान गुलशेर से पूछता है कि यार इसको पंजाबी में क्या कहते हैं. तो गुलशेर कहता है किन्नू. जमान कहता है एनू. गुलशेर कहता है किन्नू. जमान कहता है एनू. That's the whole joke guys. I hope you like it. अब मैं आपको आगे फेशियल की तरफ ले चलती हूँ. Wiping off the toner is one thing I never used to do, but since I've started doing it, it makes such an amazing difference guys. Do wipe off your toners क्योंकि इससे बहुत अच्छा और बेहतर वाइप होता है आपका फेस. Scrubbing should always be very gentle. कभी भी जोर से स्क्रब करने से आपको कोई benefits हासिल नहीं होंगे. So guys, be very gentle to your skin and always scrub with your fingertips and try to do it in a circular motions and take out all the gunks and dirt very gently. my facial at home is always been my relaxing time as well. So I enjoy every bit of it and try to relax, and it's my happy moments. So I also do this, want to share my happiness with you guys. So its aroma was so fantastic that I can't even explain you guys. It was so refreshing. So scrubbing करते हुए अगर आपका scrub थोड़ा dry हो जाए, so you put a little toner into it and you keep doing it, baby, because you are doing very good. Guys, when you're using this Refa roller, try not to put your finger on this solar plate, because it converts the solar energy into a micro current energy, and it stimulates your blood circulation and it promotes your metabolism. I also have a video on it and how to use it and what are its benefits. As you can see guys, I love using it and it's been my part of life ever since. After washing it off, I'm gonna apply serum, and the best thing to apply serum is to put it in your palm, hit it up with some rubbing your hands, and then just press on your face. So this is the best way. It penetrates into your skin much faster, and it's the best or the proper way to apply serum.